So in the last class, we discussed about Boolean expression. So Boolean, what is meant by Boolean expression? What is the need of Boolean expression? It is the mathematical way of representation of logical operations. So what are the Boolean operators? Okay, so we discussed some laws and identities, for example, De Morgan's law, absorption law, and identities. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about SOP and POS. So SOP means sum of product. SOP means sum of product. Sum of product. That is, here there are three product terms and all together, added together. So this is called sum of product. Okay. So here, so in this expression there are three variables used. So in the first time only two variables are present. So both are true form. And in the second term only two variables B and C bar. Here B is in true form and C is in complement form. Okay. And in third term, all the variables are present. Okay. So the next one is POS. POS means product of sum. Product of sum. Can anyone tell the expression? Can anyone tell the expression? Here we are going to use the product, all the products are, all the sum are multiplied together. Okay. So in POS form, all the sum terms are multiplied together. For example, so we can translate this equation into POS form. Can anyone tell? A plus B into B plus C bar plus A plus into A plus B plus C. So this is the product of sum form. Okay. So why we are need to study SOP and POS? That is, what are the empathy? Why we are going to? What is the need of studying this SOP and POS? So there are three reasons. First one is standardization of Boolean expression. So if we standardize the Boolean expression, it is easier to analyze the circuit. Okay, so this is the first reason we are going to study SOP and POS, and we can easily implement in order. We can easily implement the logical expression in logical operation in order. We can use AND gate and OR gate. We can use only two gates here. We are using only two gates. One is AND gate and another one is OR gate. So it is easier to use the logical operation using two gates and OR and error-free design. So these are the three reasons we are going to implement SOP and POS form. Okay. So there are two types of forms, that is canonical and non-canonical form. The first one is canonical form. So in canonical form, all the terms all the variables present. All the variables present in all the terms. And in non-canonical form, may or may not present all the variables. Okay. So next we are going to convert the Boolean expression into SOP form, sum of product. Okay. So the problem is convert into SOP form. And therefore A comma B comma C is equal to AC plus A bar B plus B C bar. Okay. So this is a three variable equation. Okay. So the step one is finding the missing term. So in the first term, which variable is missing? B. The next term, second term? C. The third term? A is missing. Okay. So in the first term is a true form and second and third forms are in complement form. Okay. So next step is add each product term with sum of missing terms. So here we have to use the identity, that is a plus a bar is equal to 1. If we multiply anything, with 1, the same answer will be remaining. Okay. So the first term we have to use the identity b plus b bar because b is missing. So instead of a plus a bar, we can use b plus b bar. So the value will not change. Okay. So AC into b plus b bar. And the next term c is missing, so we can use the identity c plus c bar. So this value is 1. Okay. So a bar b plus c into c plus c bar. And the third term is, in third term a is missing, so we can use the identity a plus a bar into b c bar. Okay. The last step is expand. Expand the equation. So expand and tell the equation. சொல்லுங்க a b c plus a b bar c plus a bar b c plus a bar b c bar plus a b c bar plus a bar b c bar a bar b c bar. So the last step is reducing the expression by omitting the repeated terms. Is there any repeated terms here?
A bar B C bar.
Huh?
A bar B C bar.
A bar
B C bar.
A bar B C bar.
Next time. Last one.
No repeated terms. So the answer is A B C plus A B bar C plus A bar B C plus A B C bar plus A bar C bar.
A bar B C bar.
A bar B C bar. So there are two A bar B C bar. So we can, instead of writing two, we can write any one term. Okay. A bar B C plus A B
C bar.
So this is the final answer. Okay. To summarize today's session, Kishore.
SOP and POS. Why we are using SOP as standards of rule expression implemented in hardware hierarchy. So what is meant by SOP? Sum of product. It means we multiplying the sum terms, like AB is a product term and we adding together, like AB is a some product term and adding BC bar plus ABC. POS, product of some term. It means we adding the product term,
multiplying the
product
sum terms.
A plus B into B plus C bar plus A plus B plus C. So there are two types, canonical form and non-canonical form. In canonical form, all the variables are present in all terms. In non-canonical forms, may or may not, the variables are present around.